made these two resolutions?
So what's happened is a human rights crisis. The Hmong are people who lived for centuries in Laos. They allied themselves with the United States during the Vietnam War. And when the United States left, the Hmong were left to suffer persecution at the hands of the Laotian government. They've been tortured, they've been killed, they've been raped, they've seen their property seized, they've been forced into the jungles. It's a horrible situation. In addition, there are Hmong who have fled to Thailand who are living in refugee camps, and the Thai government is threatening to send them back to Laos where they face near certain death. The purpose of these resolutions is to draw the attention of the United States Congress and the President to the situation, to ask the United States to intervene diplomatically with the Laotian and Thai government to stop this human rights tragedy.
And this is important in your district because...
This is important for all of California. The Hmong are a tremendous part of the community of California. They are brothers, they're sisters, they're friends, they're colleagues. They have contributed so much to California. So many of their loved ones, their family members, their friends are still stuck in Laos and Thailand facing this persecution. So this is a human rights issue for all Californians and for all Americans because we owe them a debt of gratitude for standing by us when we were at war.
And isn't it also correct that they are the largest population of Hmong outside of the Southeast Asia?
California has a tremendously large population of Hmong in Fresno and Sacramento, and they've been such a vibrant part of those communities and all of our communities. And so we're here to stand with them and to say the United States needs to intervene and put an end to civil rights, human rights violations that are occurring in Laos and Thailand.
Excellent. Thank you, sir. Appreciate the extra moment.
Thanks a lot.
qua đời đi xa đó chỉ ta hôm nay rong là cô chiến trời chùa cô cho mù chùa nhẹ thiệt gì nhẹ cô cho mù tao đó niềm gì nhau ý kề chơi hoa rong xe cha nè cứ